Me number wo hwehwe machira kwa ade benyam ye 0243 356583 bra na obedu ha ubehu nyame anim nyam ene ne kese ye amen.
So I'll shoot you straight.
Abusianfo radiant pempenso adure me kwa ko fa me de hye me bibini se broni ahofedua no no abesi trododo amatoa
here and nada
So the 3 days in the malaria no my don't me kase
me ntwen kuda malaria kura no me ni bedi pa
asew me na ya brempon katachie me nim senya metienti no me ba no me boa me ho mo asew aduro ni nie Dawood Herbal Mixture aduro wi me yire dom sima
azekonofo wa mama jiwedi Dawood Herbal Mixture dia mama di hye ya kire se okwa obetim ahwe ne so yie bra bema me de chew Dawood Herbal Mixture sahwini na duro ni nie
enkrato yi FD agiatu
adi oi
honey and about surprise Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal capsules and no who dread de me could brew unsa dawo complain with sisini kokua epe ajiwakade Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal capsules and no who drag sepa ne me could brew wunim eyema mani mema Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal capsules eyekoko ni sisi yare drug sepa
Edusa Herbal Mixture
any Edusa Herbal capsules Mr. Rotsnasi na mensev
Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal capsules emma memme gina brand na eyemma
na Edusa ya wasese me brabo obu ye
Sudi me bi komo me mama adwoamoa
what dance ye aye chuma
it's a living testimony koneko judi
what kaki ya
Edusa Free obie timinum bi agisa pemfo wona wo man kwadano fo ene de onya mfie dumie
FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
yewo difo ene yewo difo odifo na yebo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mu akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wahunu se upe baabi pa upe difo bi de ho akobata no a yewo difo mu ahodo minimo ha ukure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha obo
eba mu nyina ache na ma wakwaba eba ko wadwumadie so ewo Kumawood TV Medini Diane Efisabre ya ekosise no nwotwe empemu bebo as usual. Stories making headlines in the world of showbiz that we're bringing to you. Today is an English session. So we're going to speak English today. Latter part of the program, I'm going to open the telephone lines for you to be part of the program. So whilst you're watching us on Facebook, Kumawood TV, you share. If you're watching us on YouTube, share for others to be part of the program. We have, a WhatsApp line on the screen. Pick it up and then drop all your comments over there. We're going to read all of them for you. So when you bring your WhatsApp message, we'll read all of them, ditto for you on the show today. Of course, I keep saying that share. And if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, just make sure that you subscribe to Kumawood TV and then be part of the program every single minute, every hour. Well, you're pastor the PCA and my Edison Herbal Center for one of my associates and I'll be piano. You did me the Eddie Brown. One more the Edison Herbal Capsules, I bet you my so and I already Edison Mixture so Abba as we be na say one on my ever wow I'm a pomodino. etimi ejina brane wadaroma wonum ehia kwan ewo Kumasi so ame macro golf lane station ho ena wonum ebutu a edi wonjoma enti wo ehihire benche me bia na pese obesa ho yade ewo Kumasi a ana so pese wo ba edusa womo ewo so ame macro golf lane station ho ena wonum butu a edi wonjoma. Pick their numbers on the screen and then call them. They will assist you so that you can get to their premises and then they'll give you a great services. Odifo nana ewa ewa jape kromo. Onoso aso yasin papa machi ebia obia. Wada roma osebre wodi shebia 7 periods na adwene mo ekane kakra. Wonyo eye high fever. You know ma oye no. Eya insist so empama wadwe no ho a. Bomodi en kopiem ewa jape kromo. Na onfa hahama ni tonsi ni tehini ensane ya de enfama because shonaka osi ni aduaba no ya fa haha no ensa ya de ta haha no ena odifo na yebo atebri akeka bomo ena odebesa wo dehye no ya de ama amakoma atoyem ya fa se de PSC biom de mu ode de mu pi dikedika enfa nkoma eye Dr. Dawood ede Dawood ointment so de abedwaman so Dawood Mr. Eukrom eno so wunya bia ye Mr. ne de say eye dutwem unum bia malaria fever bia bottom pem e wo ni pedem e be clear no e de frame sanso ena ka hu say malaria symptoms be ni pedem a ena e hu nsam no na kwa bebrebe obi wa na ni ti papa no nkakra awadi bi ewie bopa so timu say odaseni awatie sinisuma ne humi no e kapo no cheche na no kaboso gegegege echenikanika wodi ane se obema wonsa aka eyeye Dr. Dawood Edrebi Dawood heba mesha na wanonom e be fine about me monsa nom Dawood mesha hona me omra nom bi obi na kan say boholism grab a bottle of Dawood heba mesha and then gona and one no obe fine one any aboafa one aso yasene na ka hu say Dr. Dawood Echakwan ewo eye seshi asare no so e ho no butu a ejejoma enti say witimi nko na offer telephone na offer na osinu no dudu bi a wo pe no odi be go van him mo be deliver na ma akoma asoyem enti yesa pepepe fama me na emo apomode no intimi engina branding CJ Fashions will Kumasi Mekom ono and Ojebre or Clothing. If you love my top today, make it a point and call him on 0268 505021. Now no rap coming as my extreme come all local fabric clothing of a pama fabric be out per se or the pamata, you know, I crado so of a pam area ama IFFA. Man CJ celebrities fashion designer Bakopa one or Kumasi Kodium ha on why any CJ and see Freno. Now next train come on number ni me 0268505021. Obejo feso na wabwa. But answer na mema beja for kwaba. Na yedi onkomo twetwe no ahyehyɛ so no ma mefa enchia so no enchia chinchinchi emode aseda san ka ho. Meri koma Mr. Yeboa nyame Israel onya wakoma so ade efama onto wonkwane. That is all I can say. Nyame me say Israel na onya kesi na onya wakoma so ade efama the kesi subi prince nyame ompejao ama onya kesi esne kesi pa Sayeboa na Israel mene me busi afo nyina ewufi ha yesi nyame Israel himself three nyame Israel baby how be am Sayeboa baba kafra
osombo afwe ya simbo afo wona ne ya simbo afo wona nanti amishila matoko
sa
oncha no mu oncha no
nyame Israel ya ba baby am kase mi hu de menka manyame Israel no obi ono ma odidi ana o kai o papa ya de bi opmata de hye me man CJ me senya me wanhira na me ntiase if you say okay nipa no do nipa ana me hu de menka nyame Israel na e be sra
man kura aso nani no kura ani nhyira ma na me be
Sape pepe. Kafra, no say one can take it in them. The woman when I say the match transfer. The man no no now. And see my twama money na.
Come on.
Na say my twama mo. And a kofo.
Me see you to be man.
And I want twama me na me the man. Na say my twama offer. Den ya obesum.
Don't you go so. I don't want to. I know another moon. I don't have any.
Somebody amano.
Usaya wonna.
Oh no, and I do for that.
I will feel.
I didn't hear me who. Hear me who.
And go say me. I decided to hide you go Besha. Usadia chief and was like, why is it?
Over now.
I don't be as
Rakaba. Mamma Wakaba now pro. Makaba.
I'm not so died of a munti. Diane. The son Diana. As a Panamecano.
Oh, me say.
The son Diana.
Okay.
Now, who Namida, Nasman Namik, now won't catch them in the say. A nipa. A didn't hear prayer. Now, some say as I'm walking, a nipa young check. Kakarabian young Chenny will us. I didn't talk on me. Sam the 2 year that I was.
And this is a Becca.
If I don't remember who's a nipan channel. The parents said, I'm going to take 100.
Wow.
There's some woman 100. Namen kind and now a trembling uncount. Then shall see. Now we don't know Pebia, mini boba control. I never to be a mini boba control. Say, we do 100 in the Mebua. Ah, can I feel Yana? Everyone of us. What's with you? Say, Nipatimina and Nipatimina and Nipatimina 100. Na ye tetefo no ne mo mama new type of munya yenye jade obi o so benya bia opa won sabo makoma 100 na bia onyi na ade chim bia woda ma ade chim bia no wonyi ba konto woda ma ade chim bia wonyi ba konto se 100 ni bedru no owu a no kasa na mjira se nanti me dai no so hunu ni kura ne kan employ who are blabu. You bring a beer, D. When you get no baby. Nipa, yench. You won't get some move, you say. I can say. No, you. Come out to move, you say. There's 50. 50 column. To that 100 no. Obet my 50 na can obet me as a son of the I have 70. We don't put in 80. To be few years. Jadena more. Yet pressure. That's a message. Yes, you demand. 7 from Melvias. To be a previous piano. Over schools when it's cool. Once someone get 100 from money there. The what damn come with the what damn I saw alone come with Shimu. No chance of 100 million everything.
And what do?
The man I am sure.
Ava.
Name start. I'm going to Nigeria because of your kind. Now, I bet you will damn you. But say, overtaking is allowed, but overspeed is dead. What you say? That's fine. And so, who person was sound of the one of Brabumudia? Easy, so be a bit to my easy. Yeah. So, I saw him with the care pen. Yeah. The moment I say, Nippon, I went down. You back. Jemma Binum Jessica Drew. So I say, Mabinum quadru, so the Binum solitude, if it's the young quadru, Christo Sinino, and the year who would at the Maya. And General Jamatri in Ayako, and your mom walk on Hong Kong. Or you say, you're seeing a metal walk, and no Casacho, and I saw her into a no crack a cratch. A chair say, Namaya Nam, ye putting that prophet. I never walk around the everyday woman said, ye eat up prophet could have been many of Miss Omonia hand and this was from 80 con, but you're not mean to go into you. Court on that in Cochimans, no be answer one point in Cochimans, and the Nansan in the media. Then Toyabo, like a cry, young Panyan, you be jay, you come back. We get to Macasaba, Poet Associates here, and only me here.
Why? Let's stream live on Facebook, come on TV, stream live on YouTube, come on TV, share for others to be part of the program this morning. I love what I just heard, and I believe strongly say also so no. You love it as well. And those of us that I keep saying that we hide on social media to insult people, no. I would think of fat a moon more. Only another day I'm casting cow, papa, and cow, brown cow, sister, and cow. But because of social media, you set type anything, comment anything to insult them, and then later you come back and say you are sorry. Me, I won't forgive you if you do that. I rather pray for you. So be careful. My share and my catch them for social media that we don't know them. Wow. My first story I am pay easy. And Cindy chest no much as the white general. Yes, sick room hano. A chain creep. Sissy, that's a full frat. I bet you just a prophet Nigel Gazy. A year, a Kwekwana, yeah, Juma, a one, a 2 TV, you know. And there were more dear woman, cause what is Kwekwana seats. Na the CAD, Madame Roma. If you video, Nayamba, stay with us, Uncle.
If you have nerve, go be a TV station, next year TV station built, and one watch on the Bay Edgema, Ube die at Trona Yauchan, Kukuana, Ube die at Trona Yauchano. Satia say, oh yeah, now we are not men film. It's because it was election year. I'm not one of the cowards. Get it? I'm Prophet Nigel. I'm not one. Baby and me fiba, baby and meduno. Jesus, ni nyame home, and a dimedua. Ni pebi and me for me ba film. Ni pen and me mean swadi because I ni 2 mina mikrano. Home na mikrano, Jesus na de mame. What me try trust me call. I went to a T region. Ekoye conference, ekoye crusade. Who betina TV no so ya papa kwana Japan TV no so be try trust say makwaji adro. But what dey warrior phone sa no. Warrior phone sa no wa hwonsa. What dey me dem ma kakrebi. I just spited you. I thought you were a man. You were a puppy. Do you know a puppy? You are not even a dog. When look for the meaning of puppy. And I thought you were landed because Overtona TV is whoa like an ambulance. You come, you run. I thought you were balanced in there. You are not balanced in there. Because if you are balanced in there, equity will tell you that he that goes to equity must go to equity with clean hands. Well, you sat on TV to defame me, lie about me, everything you said about me. More you so 6 weeks back and back, repeated sessions. I sat up, I didn't say anything because Nyamia Juman, oh yeah, I had to say Bola, Obia to not defeat, not the goose. Who did Bishop Dark at time, they don't call courts? Who do you Papa Adnasari at time, they don't call courts? What's our deal? I would try to above for so Reverend above for Abraba Branson about Bobida. Who only want to bush me and cow? Me will bush me down for crank open. Me not simple. You are a joke. You are a joke. Hey, no bush your 4 year man. Me soon nipa. More over than me mendayo. We rule the night. And I did your man my you soon. And I be no na bit my best me sorry. Because I rather than dear mammy. Gamel, professor of law, catch some say, brothers and sisters, I deal with your radia, won't mean say no. So I say, you're a letter man, so I don't want to even waste your time. But I just came here to tear your letters. What you sent to my I came here to tear it, I came here to tear it. I have no respect for it. If you're a man, proceed to court. If you're a man, go to court. He that go to equity must go to equity with clients. You sat on TV to denigrate me. But when I came to I just spited you. And like a dog, you came to vomit. You unim court. Obetsna TV so me kun ebony. Obetsna TV so do you know the damages, the colossal momental damages it cost me? My children in London, do you know the pain you caused them? What your phones and no hear on sa. And then the old man, no man make catch us say ne to ya be pamon. Your honorable on make catch honorable say, oh you crumfo. You take bribe, we have you on tape. And not tape is my evidence. We have you on tape, and in Zambia, no one will work out. No, you have evidence. All is your ears because 1,500 now pay. You are a cheap man, little man. You are little man. Nankola from one more saying. Menkola and pay for me. That little man on honorable Ken station. One ready here. Obegu honorable enim. Obegu nenumase. Obi bekata na honorable one attack me attacking because maybe you pimney. And I tell me and I maybe na me D4. so te ase but ne abrantie no eye no wan hwe ya obe
enti Prophet Nigel Gazy eneja watete abrantie suita yede command obi na be so suit ai enye sese bi wo makwafu yi gidigidi atete suit atale ehye no na emom no eye efene say krata bia ekodi no ho no se maso matitin ava
dan
mi jaya ma
everybody nsha mu mienu eno mo ntoko mo kuno maimu ebo ama no pa nyansam te na me pa ni ameka che kokwa na no pese nti osofu ya na odi fu eni abre no se be nsam o kan ye nyina de odi fu yi so se nya no kore na ebia no openi se ugu ne hu pia eno ho na amadi fu na ni abre no se bi wiase obi nya ade na aka ato no so a Kristo kro bonu wiase ompe oye se nya mfia wo yeteki asofo na kra bi no moti ase sa na otwi nani onka we ba na nsusan so ba wo so no so wa akoma no ba be ka bi atwa mo so ade na ye no yinipa no da busuam enti se nya no kra no ka gu nsu na papa ni abre dia me ni bi aka fa ho emom se ya no kra nso ana on peso age no kra tumu aheda ebetena social media no aye dede kakra me se ne ya ka kire no nya so ya atro se mo a ne so afre no no ode atumi agya no na ne betua ne ho ka because asem nya kwakwa na nkwa na kan
yeah
o kan mo na bo kan de gapo be kan yeah nja fi ada na kwakwa na de na ase o tension nyina akoso ayi kan de dia meme nko kan asem because de nyina me ya kwa pinni ya tete me na nim si ya tete wo na wasa antete no a sabe ni ade kasa no nso nya ni ba o so ntete nim de ya adwuma so o mu se nsem mo kan ya atro sam so na wo mo mu aye so de ani nsuro bia yeah do bia kan ya anya jitum na sabe wo be fa ya o mu nyina fa ya o mo na ko wani ya de to okran so nka hu se ede ya nsam no mkan so na bi su wo ma ye no kore eno so wi on fa ho abaso bode ya mo ko na butimi no ko ya ma be ka se e ma ho de wo da mere kakra wo ti asem na nti se utimi je ho ne tumu dia ene o wi so abo ma baso because o mu kan wani ma wani ba ho so ne se mi se kre bi a wo nya bi ipa de so o tan wo kan wa asem no yo ba ku yen bi o ma ye no kore a mo wani ba ho so esa wo kwa yi na atamfo se ne ntoma no a ate akoko bi Uzo wa ye wodi o bato wo ko hene ya mba on fan kwada bonase ntine fa bi so no wasa abo kisa no ye ni tan na chingwa nga se o mpamasem ba na ze na no ka na ye no kure itimesira se onye collection wo mye mom keka gu ni so ne ye no kure no on twene wo se ba ya understand obi fo frostoli tie ne bi mu a onyi konya nsamboni bi nkan fa na ho na ne ye nyam so no sa so tan fo ko ni wa ye dan a ho mfra makaka be ba elo so on fa se ka Kristo aduma no se na Matthew 5 one down no eka no ye be town Kristo nti be dia track and somebody afa ho no eno na em fan se e ba no nti oye nhira eno achi ohunu ne sa nsem yi wa hya dan twin god musa
alright ojam ba
onu tufo bi na to ne o se ade awuye wu bebu mu ateye ye wa brabo ye ade awuye wu bebu mu ateye asasi so e won dan bye ye twam ya na ye bibi fon ya na yenim se ye twam obi enu obetran ho
sa pepe
se ni obi wu ya ukọ yes ko ye je mewu ebedum le bi obi susu ani wi asret sofo na Jagezia ade a woye no kana na bia meka ni mu sa wo ye sofo da
ade ntia
ye ntia se ni mu sa wo ye sofo no everybody say wo kon no se ko betimi wo kan se wo betimi akon anu ntokwa kon yes for na mi shira so wo ntokwa kon everybody say one could be man na we na kuponi peka ukra baburi what you yesu kwa ye kaseti ya yesu na da no fa kan no ase no wo nkwan se ko bo bia ma ni titie anzo wa amaw de mbe ye ni nyina wa fi mo onya da gidi ni nsa guwo me de da do bom ama bi kwa ka ma carpenter ni kwa fai dadwano say ya wodi na ba ko bobo wem wodi bobo wem no carpenter ni na na sa no si dem ni bi ni nyina ya dai e bomu a nya bi akoso manza table bi nya bi mbom je ne me ka yesu na atoso na me dadwa ba ko abom na mbomu ya na be de beka no me da ko ya akoso manza table ama no yesu su hu nsa no wakasa mpacho fada do ne ni na agbo o se do asebo be wo no ka say o say ya bo ya beti be gun ko ni ya be o se so ka eni pa everything anya so de do ni bo no ene ura so david o se o do papa yesu yesu da do emi ni esi me fa mo de no so de david e ko be fa so de bobu mu beti be gu ene hia na ura me fa me ba ko ba ko so ba tete ebi ba yanya what is who you nyame nipa ya we nyame nipa hwe let me dey bla who just ayi office na who titim say
na come on titim
na who titim say na ya ko tia sam no
okay
ne fa so ne magu kwan yim say ampa ko fia na se mo ka no wo ka se tia wo ana wo ne wunni ni ye wa se wo let ko tese wo di wo mo betri so an waka nyame sumuni
enti se bra nyame sumunti na obi prawa wo se nyame sumunti se unkasa
ba brum no wo se wo be hwe wo sumu da ba kuma no
bra ni wetimi nye me no mi enu se nye ndi nyame sumunti na mi to na ye gu mfi sa na because of nyame
any part of so you say what you say oh and you say yes I can't read
sometimes also kasa
anya wo kasa say wo bia wo dodo ko fe na wo nya kristo ni o
kwaku anan
sorry
onya sofo
anu nya me hu so wo kristo ni
de o kristo ni
yes eti say wo do be kasa gu hu fi na asem nya na kura eni nya me na say o de ma no na ye nya me eti say wo bufu no so de ba so bufu a edi de besi
to onko so bibia on pe no ka
aso wo forget eni pa be kan wasam eni pa utu mu tai obi no wo wiase a wo be da bonte be ka se kan na wasam da obi mra me pe da se wo da mai e pa tu se be wiase obi kan na wasam da on ba kra ka ko gba se kra da a chew obi a ko bi chesem da kan se go bi aso wo ye so fon ko ade tintim ye had nothing ne chew na amanfo hu say yes yakopon de bo dua ba bia ekon ana hono mo do na wo so be ka bi na wo wo be dra mic ni se be so de be preach mi a mi metie isemu ni yedi mochie ayo jesu mami kai so fu di boni misumi di boni why dey preach to you eti wo proof ko fe na wrong say ade kwa na wrong proof no wrong mu be mu say yes ya dan gezi ya dem ye kristo ni sani ma we na me bosh enyankopon se ma me so onyame se wo ko nyame ko mane babra se mu je ba bi o mu say yes wo ye sofo na kromfo na wo ye kromfo na ye kromfo ona de ga mo tutu da
obo no we
obo na bi dai nya bi dai ona na otie
ene evident dey jam
ti mu na wo ye penti wo no wo sofo na se wo mo bi mu say yes wo ye sofo so wo yakopon twa ye do no ya kwa bi babru you quotation na kata channel na one mrafom they say woni ni ko wo pam no asu da ko pam so wusu wo ye nyakopon sia na mu ayi se man so be sada montam mu asu ye nyakopon sia na mu
en kabra nyakopon sia na mu so du me bi o se se bi ye respect ye de ma o ma na
ya ka se for respect ma wo je wo be ye na mo be respect sa ko se Ghana police for mo se Ghana police for je bla buti a se aban for je dan fo je wo be ye enipa wusu eno gbani be mu se enipa me kodo wo ma menya futuo me kodo wo no be se me kodo be ma mo sa enipa no wusu ne oban no ene enipa be timi je wo abo na ma so makwaro ye twa mu kasa na twa mu kasa obi fa ho be awo wo no wo de wo mu ntimi ni nyu ni so wo ye nyame
bra
ni asebe na kai ni nyu ni mi ni gidi wo da geze mi ni gidi wo ujiji ni se wo bi ye wo de mi na mi
eno bo se o so
yes
eno bo se o so
na usu je tem so be so ye so
na de onka bi nche na de on de moja nyina ni mu
udimfa obi o sofo o nya kupo se na mfa ne complain obi a won nya kristo ni o obi o nya kristo bi to ka de o pe bia to so wo na se wo bo tintim ni e wo che mu se ya ba ya sofo yi die one few
okay
na be ka se bi dia na ka o ka okronfo won pama no ana de na yesi ya wo so for ban no ye hye dem hu nipa ban a wo ye ana makwa so bi wo aso di do mu yin nya chese aso do mu yin nya e life ene ni mu die ene adwaman no bre yesa ne ma
nkomani
woni ma odifo onye no fo nso ntu
woni fo
na mini ba
woni fo enya mini penti de bia na de bi on pe na
chini ni to me o
ni kuma
so yesa de nya ko pon de eni na mini to me
ciao
yes.
Okay, so I'm going with some messages quickly before I bring my my next story. I have this one that says bonjour, merci. Vivian says that hello, good morning to you too. Good morning is from Sparrow. Thank you for your message. Emilia from Poma said good morning to you too. Your dress is nice and it fits you well. Thank you, Emilia. Share for others to be part. Joe, you brought okay. I think Joe, you are our a guy. Maybe an auto message about good morning, my sweet Diane. It's from Ifweto. Good morning, sweet Bishop and Ojam. Kwekwana should leave the prophet. Okay, if we're doing it the way by Yabua Felicia says that I think yeah. Felicia says that oh Ghana everyday fighting. I agree with Nigel Gazy on this one because Kwekwana started it and now one took him to court. Okay, fine, cool. If what it says Kwekwana should deal with the problem in Ghana. Wisdom Talk, that's a Nigel is from If We Do. Kojo says, Nigel, I'm surprised you fear Kennedy. Why are you not attacking Kennedy too, but only Kweku Annan? Keep your good work or Bhutan Ahafu Mim Zongo. Thank you. If we says a Kweku Annan should actually stop that foolish things. If we decide disagree with Ojam because sometimes you have to talk. Wisdom Talk Bishop. If we say that Ojam, if he is a pastor, he is a human being as well. Ojam, please stop what you are saying. I think if we do. And when you say Nigel, so it can be editor a Kweku Annan. Emilia from Poma said the letter is a warning. Kweku Annan warned Nigel to apologize to him or else after 2 weeks he Kweku Annan would take him to court. And of course the thing now inside Kenya wabeti timiyo and SMP Yusuf said money is power. If you don't have it, no respect, and no one will actually recognize you. Your destiny is in your own hands. It's a very long of a message that you brought. I'm going to come back and read them for you. If you say Ojam, Ghana people, we like that because one prophet, because a prophet is a human being as well. My family second story and from a second story about Tuja, and it's a Ochunoku. And also Eden Waji in semi a course of can be Edatre all is Zato and Benis Yankoshe, you know, Nayam Dinsia or no sono Edinano Abetuto into a cost of organic.
Menumas, and we beg now one thing so penny nacho, Mimi who's or Pamicho. For the 100 million mamma manji, TV station be baby also on TSM. Obama can say friend of banks. Mo host to your friends Elizato me man is cut to me and say me bawo me man is cut to me and say me kraman ya wo fi na wo aba you about 26 years me ba kra chen wo be gu me mani ma say me kra me kromfo aba na se ma wo kan no e bi kra ade ba kwa manim gu ase pa ye me de se me nyo oba bi wo koda ne mpra ho no oba boy ni ja no kwan bedu station no way 26 no da man na de Africa na ka 20 kwad na nka onfa ma wo dem akronfa ba na we just say the osinam ha wo TV ni so no o pe so wo bet TV ni so bia na sa akronfa ba e ba jo yi ma no mama o ga sa akwo kwaso ya no so for mo fan chem me de sa na me ti mo fa me sa obi egu mani mase for almost 1.5 years. It was 1 year. ah me kuda me evidence na me de ba no wuti TV so da bia me ka me se me mpe obi content if say ba bia ni pan di asem ni free a wo de ko munim ko ka bia ha be di fo me na me de me hu e se me hu se Ghana fo mu nsuro nyame nka odiom ah Pentecost aso de akronfo ko wi ade me na me de me hu na me se be ni Nyankopon to nkwanta amapai ogro hu na asem a me ka me se no kra me boldua enye no kra me boldua me de me yire me madase o problem ni say ah justice me told you anymore say me camera me ni TV me send this car mobile phone so the man catch your horse no yes obi the cost skills and on so ye makogu Kumawood and wabet na TV so wo be gina otwino ko hu ekwan ho de ahwedwom wonya untimi nyina me kon ho o boy ski untimi nyina me kon ho hwedwom eni kwa se me mo attention yeah wa open ma se me mpe ma asem me nka se me program and I make no say wo obe me program no pa twem ko don't comment. Now what is that to what you justice? Ah, we adwuma wo friends saying station kwade say abusua. Opane kwamrado for station. Now ke kan kwase asem na omo so to abaywa. O boyfriend ko ja wo kwan station no pa ahomachi. We yiskari ya ma wo na dia ko. U pioto e show wase kra. Dodo saying. Na mo fo say mo nkwa na monim kwase akeka me bo a. Omo agrada aba omo pa. Oh, yeah, Ajuma Abuja FM 95.6. Yes. Omo agrada abo omo pa no. Maka cho so obi agrada abo ne pa bi odi matembia. Me ko bo omudua. Onim so ho mo a brabonte ne be pa chew. O wuti kuma se afa na wahu TV me bo a. Wo de emfa nto. Me ma so dibuta. So
Ochunoko ena yete ne nka no na enkomoyi menim so obi o ha na adwuma ni bebre obi nti de ekofa asa nkomo we nyina ebaye ene adeadea na eye me akasa me bra me amade nyina Ochunoko I think say efisha somewhere 2020 mu se me fa ne sa 2020 mu na ene wo efidade mu ene eja o ka say amanfo bebre e de o problem e brain concerning say Mami agrada ene also wafanya me aye friend prophetess esiedua quarantine no evangelist ni sika gari na oye e woni station honom no ene letter no krafida dem ne mi akra na mbobodin no nipa over 100 plus ena wo mobile say mami aju wo musika emu lecturers emu bi odi ni gold e de ko senkeja mami nshira so na nke me bebre ni ajaja womo de sa problem ni nyina e de bae a wo gold akoka ho wo musika akoka ho wo mo amami mama twoma fo bu wo mo a chese honsem no e ko ebibuja so pa no e ka se obi amra ti amanfo di chese wo mo bo twi e bae ana me akra mbobo lete chese din no na fidade mu radio station ne ye adwuma no na eja ye bobo edin no mako enti mi ame ofa mi ame bra mi amade nyina e ka se enche na wohwe mu a no ka se wo bibia sebi se mama agrada fi se wo afanya me na wo mu a sebi mpedi asa wo jeje wo musika no se mama agrada se ono boa because mama ne betro shade edi na tembi a ne mu odene a fe later no agrada kroya dia chopa e bai ai ma se mi amofa lumba minim se winim sansem no kakra ma ntokwa no kwa na ho bobombo mu a etintinti mu na so ma me be pa cho se ofantwa so e ma bibia ye de enkoda ana papa ya be ka se fine mami edisika 100 Ghana 100 million e she envelope mu ano mare mu nyina de ma mare so mare emfa mare papa yi omu ko hye mo Joy Flows Hotel War Stadium Kumasi ase he ya no wansom ene ade osaka se San Francisco no ko mama me no ase mama ni free say wono Ochunoko boa womra obebodua na ode ono ankasa ne ma adase okuni ne ma adase sorry ono ade ne ma ne yire bedase na se eyampa so a wono so dia wo boyi eni ode agrada ma ne kun bibia be den ebedas wo me no ho ano na we beto odwan not to say abrant FM El Izatui Obusua FM ene sa benis asare no minim ne de ana ono so no omo esopa papa bia ena papa so no e de nsem we aba betidwa enti na tepa wutie no emu nsem no na kakra metimi aka e de afa ho no ofa
dan eradi nsha ofa ojunogo ni na djuma wo bo say comedy na Ghana medical aka say wo ya de na office ade na ye na papa na be sure so na munyama forget nipa comment say issue starting me na na agrada starting first ye nsem wi ya ho me abubo video nkofo de omuka me de ba na ma me so de aba ye dida be 1 to 2 weeks and son of ochi e ba be so inya Ghana po bi e cha ma me na echi edi matem ma hunu say ya America na nya no kure na ma mi sa chenka sa afo no omun sa amra emebo ma se gwa say ofa na anim ya wo ka on sa afo ba ko kure
lombe na ba
asem no ti Ghana no da bia hunu bia be sa wo kuro ene ne awo ya ma wo so kra se wo ni ebusa so ba wi aso ba ye de ya ubetuma nya bibia ka cha obofo ne se mbegina ekun koden ma de sei so boy se ne ne ya santo ayi boni dia ne asori akonya mu no ye se odi ni pa chi a on be ye usei uso manye uje ma o sa da no waje mu sa na wa na de ade ba wi aso ntimi so ofa ojuro go so asemu mu ye nyina enwu atemi dia ko so sabita pa na ni ya de
esta credit di na tem
na mu guguo
obi anka hwe
na mu guguo mu ti bi mo anka hwe ti se ne asem na ba na ma me na dia atu no so wasachira mukura no ka mupaja topic na mu kasara mu nkomachi na mu sanje se oturo ko den mra bi atwamu na mu fa sa respect ne ma no ya dia no to nchen ya juma ye nyine ye bi o starting nim fie bebre ne we kura ase ne ye he no asabe nim dia ni nyansa nyame ye fa no mo a no wan fa no mo ye ko bebre on ko tran ko TV ene radio so a ye mo pe ene se obeki kan kwati asem kata ne ehunu se akwa we so ba wo hyewo ne mu so obema nim dia akọ ne wo ka ho ne nya mfa so dia free so ne de enhye da ni patrim mesra mo banyini se open ntam dia wo nko akọ ba pese oduru akira ya ne dodo ne bom ene yakọ ti mo mo ntatena se bo mo fidie so ne nkofo bi abobra pen etwa sa ato amasebe ya baba betu ende ye nyina yesu ye bie no ye mfo mo ni die se fata mo menga so tuno ko ye mfo so amo mo nka ba de ande o na hyase anka we ne mfo so ne de e wo se bia kasa mo kan yi mo kan de kire no ya ni nyina to njan ofa ofram ofa nam so ma friend ofa fo mienu America to ofa wo chi se mesra na ni di e bia wadu no respect kura na ni munyama kura no me kura de bia na mesra urade se papa into nya na kuma piri he da se obesi be bo adwuma ni pe tan no na nkanne sabita frache ma no sisumu na so na ni ye ne yi anko bi kura nkan no mum ahye ne so am wakadem ba se la oda so di wura hunu ne o ye mobo a o tues ka kura ma ne ye mobo no agye kun na kon ma ni pa kro kire se na kuma don no kore eduo hunu za de kakra no urade di ja na respect no kura na kasa bi o aso mo ka mo ndra ma kika bi na ubie to ye sei bibi ti se de wa aka ase nyom kwa na tin kwasi asem na se ye kwasi asem di so aka kwasi asem na me hunu o fa ye no woni so dan se wo so be use da west na bi e de atua ne ka no o fa be kora ti sa de kwa mo oni sebe no du aji na ade a wo ye no eye no onse no
okay
ba ye se de nko no acheche ma wo fa ya o mo ni be bo mo so na sebe mo atro mo firi sebe kwasi asem o mo di ho na ye nyina ti aso so ya ku bi no no ti misira no kasa bi wa mo ni dodo aji no so ankoye bone on pass futu
ya na akoye ya obi o ha obi ya de na nya on kan na over respond na afi amanfo bebre na ye de comment ba na e kan we be nipa na e kan sebio papa we start radio adwuma e wo kuma asenye ne na obe yare ya o se obo nipa bebre me kai those time Fox FM na sebio ye nuano ma akra sebi mu jina kwa ko mu ya shawo for sebi me sere me kan ma no susumu na asono o ma bebre jai se adwuma bebre jetri sort ma say wo mo mu ni ska twedua na ehia fo ne ade even yeti akra obi o sore ya na waba mi kura ye mi say entade ne ade nyina sika nyina jetri nyina obon krofo enso ye na papa ya se prezine da I know Abeka on say Obia the comments, but see the comments that is.
One can't be overcome any.
Oh, can be so pair. Well, Minister Obeka say, why am I taking size on Ochinoko? I'm not taking size. But in my seminal, because it's not accurate. Eliza to hear Juma Busia FM. ɛhɔ no yɛ adwuma oja ma me mrem
ne papa o tudo ko se mo fa o tudo ko baby o bia no me chia no na o tudo ko no o fa ye krom ni bi ye fe no o fa kwaku blenya na sam le no mu ye program na ye fe no ensem si shada
okay when I make a Fox FM
kayasam kayasam
na sanya mano na man fotie
from Isra to you know easy wabo ejuma ase
edoni mula obia so botan wo ti papa na nu ase na Ghana da bia na ya nka Ghana fo asem ade ya de pan ye nsom
dabi
ade ya de pan Ghana ye nsom da chadia se be so enunguase beba na ade be ye ehu Prasam, Tokosam, and the Ghana for is so money trendy. Papa Bob Manfo, we are doing and the sudden call those who come a command in Fly. Nina, Papa, one papa. Was when I met someone say, yes, I'm a yen, yes, I'm a bayer, and son of a command. Papa, and Yasay. Silano, dear, a dreamer was so a yellow, then Yasay, the same. Sendman no guswa
oye obi kra nka wapa ba nko te kwan se bi sika
the simple for say utumila chinesie papa no abo Ghana abebi enso na sere wonu ani botom sika no ankora ne di papa ko hospital enso no cancer papa ene ni papi jisi ko papa nche ademdie ene se papa life no say oh me bom me so na sala
Olo wa bobra sebi start ready wa bobra enti no sebi mpedi asa nye se metara America wa nya adwuma obedidi okona butreba oye ni bibia
wo tambia no no ya bibia no won pa sisi won pa kwasebu won pa krono wo kare kra kyerem ono bo for di leader ni do ka kyerem bo for o ka so de to asum wale ma me gada so di o kanya sasem so de to asum what does my maker? But yana nipa wo find my pa. Yana before me say the man of pano. I think yes can go something now. Ne papa what to na mo leader. What travel you so? E ka e se me che papa. E bu ne hu fi e fe. Anya fe. O po de mo ye ni nyina, ye nipa ye ni nyina, wo mui. Sila, was one de ba ka kra no ko pe say, one de obewu e so hwe de mo ka che no. E to judo ko de bufu a o je sofo
nobody say nyame de ni che
o de mini one problem but they also be sofo o say we are sofo do be ka o de o ya sofo nyame e pe no na me pe
na o pe parce fa de ndo bodu a woni ha
woni ha
na no dua bo
se ni pe nyeye fa de di pa ni pe nyeye so what do you cook for me and I said so then you do me me mo bi ko oh and then we get TV so go you do kwado ye da
one
am so no o can se pa mani pati
no ka sa na ni ye obi ado
so the ni ya so no sa
ya da de mu da be ko na manfo be go san ofa enye easy o na ni panka sa lo ya na e bi
hwe ni be bibini e sele no mo no kaye ni be bibini e sele no mu a e no kaye we dey different and say you na dey change for boy na num ton but then say we cancer for chiro as any okra no ayi papa da e dey ni pesu e ka che papa ayi o tudo ko se wonyai na adum nya go pode adum no se be so be pare chew wonya kwasefo be chidie wonya kwasefo be se be o mo ka antugu the US dey be ka US Ghana ejimi for dress se nyansafo ni pa bebe ejimi ni pa bebe adre ni fie ti be se no da do no to o dem to se di kura no se be so mo pa se e go bu mo judo ehu hia wonya bibia am fa emanyame no yakupo se je eso ye no eso ye ansa no ayre obegbo mo ncheche nipa bi won mo auto so tu kasa so na aboa ngoma ni dra no ho bu a wotu so address pa enso aboda mo so nipa bi so won koden enkoden
wonya panke si won so
wada da wonya
man so say obe so bi ha onim wa wo de why will be said baby Elizato Ejuma? If you don't know Elizato, me so Ejuma Ebusia FM. So if there's another Elizato baby, I will fair enough. But the name no or Kumasi FM, Kumasi Ebusia FM. So stop asking the question. I've given you a reply on Facebook already. Why? And you know, stop bringing this. Does it mean he works at blah blah blah? That's the message I've given you. Honorable Kennedy Japan. Oh no, so Eddie. Now concerning Captain Smart. I say Captain Smart. Oh no, Okokoto Bikura Kunya. I went Chiaka 5,000. Nipa no kra check out the man no kra is an bounce ye. Waba abeka. We prove it, we check. Na ye video na yambra.
Opa di mi wagro. Me wa hat on Saturday. Adia mayor we mu amukasa by heart. Edin se musa. What you say Captain Smart? On say maami no munyi maami ni check na mo hwe. Captain Smart. Ekoto maami bi nkonwa. Check ni bounce mama test.
Oh my.
These are the people. I'm your role models to Ghanaians in this country.
Now mutiho.
Where mu journalists your role models.
Kansim humsa.
Munyi check no mo hwe check na bounce ye no. Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Secret bank.
Okoto de munkunya.
Then just smart blessed. I was God's brain. Ah, but you see God's brain.
God's brain.
What you say? So we are not a bounce. 2018. You know, I still a biak.
Signature.
Moya, you have the information. The mere fact, sir, Ibrahim. I knew my ya continue. Or ya dear ya. Your argument is that we shouldn't even praise him. That is what we are saying. If that's the line you want to go, I'll open the fire again. I will still come and sit here. The same person that I'm praising would do some funwa. I'll come with documents and shut everything down again. So what Jimmy are, young Tumufua, my young who think gods, our gun had journalists. 80% we are bogus. You don't even know your job. What you want? Not journalists who fight phone, echo national security. Self-control picture.
That is
a video. What is your intention?
Yeah. So we are so many. Therefore, to say,
who send it?
Explaining.
Who send it? Send it.
Explaining.
Who send it?
Pentagon. Yeah, Pentagon.
MI5.
FBI.
Just say, begin one, just and
nobody
will start talking.
And nobody condemn this journalist.
GJ president. GJ president. I can't say it's against the ethics. I say,
and now tie Ben or no, or say, yes, say, Yamagana gas PRU said then no tea article can was him. Ethically, be a professional journalist.
Oh,
ethically, Ubetima could Pentagon. I could take picture.
Now CIA headquarters.
Okay, I was.
Diane.
Papa.
I'm very I said, I'm married. So now I can say, Papa, you know, a politics, console your party. Once I did this one. And garden yet to Krumada. After Sman, you didn't find one be a free set and yet. Yentimi more so. Because it's a uncle trip, you are one trip in a pain. You go basically the fun one, so the young ones so. It will be as a diaba. That the Agana you could have been a sergeant of air time, sir. Of a lumba to you, be an himself a lumba yet. That could be a papa, young to many a million to Papa and was him. Son will be an himself a papa, not up to me young for so. More for Papa and time at Jazz, oh, and ye be that with young cannons of one Panama or Qualatina Hokonin. It's a net, you have a pond captain, a yana, and yet. And then I cannot become what them say, ah, quite ready, I'm very. Nankatina unya check in so odi abedro se minia da bia abo politicians na chi so mo bokro no mo yese na check in so firi he no no so akwalete ne ho ba ye yi na di wan go ye di antra fie ntina afre di yeso ye hiti e kire se wonye yes mo mpese yes jise me so me to na me ye bibi na nya na ma de ahye mo se wa hwe mo de bebe ntino obi ya de na nya me nka be do na Ghana ba ne ntoma pefra
na wa mo so se be mpedu atami ke se bi o wo be ka se na wo nim se de wo ye nye e so sole a na the way I will see count 7 no. So this let me have a count.
Ghana yam fashion abumodia. Fina na no ma hemfo so. yɛn mmɔ free president so yɛn fa mercy form sɛbita pracha wɔn a yale ɔmo baa wiase yale yɛn ntɔmo ntumi mɔ brada so ɔmo mu nwan ɛna eni adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ nan nso a ɛbɛko atia ɔman no da ne ɛhwɛ nipa ebɛwuo yɛn nyinaa na yɛn to ɔman no yie nti ne ɛsɔle obi aso ɔkyɛm sɛ ready ɛdɔɔso dodo wɔsɛ yɛwɔ adeɛ bi ɔkɔ obi yɛ ɛnyɛ no ntia nipa dodoɔ ɛna yɛwɔ adeɛ bi ɔbɛkum nipa dodoɔ wokɔ twɛ nipa saa adeɛ no yɛn na awurade hwɛ otimu nipa bi odidi ma no so dodoɔ so sɛ ɔsɔle tia sɛ nipa na kristo tumi kum because saa nipa ni wu nipa dodoɔ na ɛbɛsɔfa eti yɛwɔ saa nneɛma no nyinaa wɔ wɔsɛ yɛte aseɛ wɔ wiase no yɛde abɔbra yɛhwɛ ne MP foɔ ede yɛ president foɔ ɛyɛ ministers foɔ ɛyɛ ne nea captain smart ankorankora bɛyɛ deɛ na bɛha nipa dodoɔ yɛte kurom sɛ kwan sɛ afɛte nipa sɛ captain kɔgye check no nipa sɛ na afɛte wɔ mo yɛ check ne nyinaa nsa kora de yɛdi nkɔmmɔ a yɛdi
check no wa ɔnyɛ captain kɔgye ɔde ma obi a watɔ na ade ɛna nipa ne kɔ banga ɔkɔ akɔyi sika ɛna kyerɛ sɛ check no ɛbounce yi twata sɛ ntaso de nipa ne
yɛn ka sɛ captain yɛ adeɛ ba me sɛ saa mo politics na mbɛ sɛ ɔmo nyina so fanka na ntu ɔka bi tie ndisi boy ɔmo de me mpa nipa ne life to sa na me na mo ya me kura ka awurade ma ne mpale mpa sɛ nipa te aseɛ na me kɔ nipa dɔm wa wotum sɛ obi de ka kɛseɛ ba wo pɛ sɛ wo to fa baabi because wo bɛwu wo hwɛ baabi a wo to fa na kora ba ko gyina hɔ na hwɛ side nipa ta ne gyina hɔ yɛfa na abetu ka na kora ba enti saa na bia se bɔne na yɛ mo no mo yɛ mfonso etie nipa dodoɔ ɛna obi so yɛ mfonso yɛ amkrankra nipa ba ko bi ni nyina yɛ mfonso deɛ ba sa dodoɔ bɛwu deɛ ba ko hu edi sɛ mo yɛ na nyɛ ne nipa ne bɛka mo mɛgye no so sɛ no nti ɔsɛ ɔna bɔ yɛ anya saa suban bi no ɛtan wɔka no kura ba saa suban no nko ɛtan
so wɔnka no kura bi
aso ɔtoɔ ne sadeɛ bi ba na so hu sɛ bɛha na ban na ɔno ara pɛ so ɔno pie bɛka sa aban no nyɛ ne yɛ hunu so ɔka no kura ba wo hunu bi wɔ nkyɛn na sɛ wo mu ka deɛ wo deɛ mɛmmam ɔbɛ prosecute ahyataw da bia yɛ hu so ɔno nko na ka ɛnyɛ fɛ nyame ɔmo sika nka sɛ fa bɛka nkɔfoa no tum wɔde ma sɛ ɔbɛboa foforɔ ntia sɛ ɔbɛma no kura hinta bi apie ntia nti ɛtoɔ dada wode obi amɛka ho a na wowɔ adeɛ bi fa no ho na ɛbɛha ɔman a womɔ so sɛdeɛ na ano ɔno aka sɛ megya woankame a metoɔ no ayi sɔfoɔ asoma sɛ wɔmɛkaa me nti saa deɛ menkana so na woabɛba bɛka me na leader yɛyi sɛ di ɔman so obi bɛka ho ansa na wowɔ sikiri bi a ɛsɛ ɔman na waka nti na good leadership no yɛbɛserɛ no yɛbɛsɛ captain no wɔnyɛ nyame ɛna obi ansuo sɛ ɔbɛka asɛm akyerɛ bɛkɔ yɛ fa so a ɔmo nyinaa bɛgyina akyirɛ bi no me sɛ asɛm ne ba taa dɛ menka bi ntia captain da wogye asɛm no ase bi kɔ ɔkwan mo fa so na ɛntwa yie ɛyɛ biribi na ɛkɔɔ so na ɔse ɛnyɛ ɛna moagyina no so na mde no kɔde ne ɛsɛ nyɛ ne kwan no ɛtu baayɛ no bra bɛka sɛ ampa kwan a ɛyɛ papa kɔkotene faa so ɔma captain kɔtena fie nipa deɛ ɔhu no korɛ no wɔ ka yɛma ne nka na mfa no korɛ bato wo captain no so sɛ ɔka no korɛ no yɛ ɔno so nhwɛ ne nneɛma bi yie kɔmeka sɛ kɔma wɔ check bi wɔ ha ne yɛhunu no korɛ no ba wayi ne first deɛ ne nyinaa tɔm kyɛ sɛ wɔnhwɛ so ntrɛ fie wɔntrɛ a wɔyɛ adwuma no deɛ wɔbɛka no atom sɛ nnipa no yɛ bi sɛsia no nso bɛsɔre a ghanafoɔ yɛ a ɔmu ni nkanka yɛyɛ ni sika no yɛbɛkyɛke ɔmienu no ɔwɔ sika ne akɔtaa n'akyi tuwo sɛ sɛ ɔmyɛ abɔ sɛ captain ɛyɛ deɛ papa no ɔyɛ panyini ɔmbɛyɛ de akeka ne saa ne yɛaka ne basaa ne yɛkɔ na sɛbesɛbe yɛse hia nipa ɔbɛwu anaa yɛ nyinaa sɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ne amomu yɛ bi sɛ yɛama obiara position sɛ ne yɛkura mu bi a mune ne ɛwɔ nipa bi mu na nka mune ne ɔbɛtumi ɔfiri di nokora no a na wanya mfonsuo biara no mo a na mote a na monim nokora wɔna tam sika maa no sɛ woka nokora gyidi na wonyi so no adwe mpɛ sika no bi na ɛnyɛ no ana moyɛ no ɛnyɛ fɛ saa suban no yɛwɔ mu no ɛnyɛ fɛ
wokɔ sukuu na wokɔ sukuu na wosɛ wotwa a wobɛfie ama me woayɛ adeɛ dwe pa woayɛ adeɛ dwe ɛnɛdi kadayɛ ɛnɛdi bi abɛka o bɛ yɛne ɛntia no yɛnyɛ bi yɛ o yɛnim nyɛ sɛ buta ɛti na ti tv soɔ no a sɛ deɛ so yɛnyini no baabi a si asɛm ɛbɛka no woamfa bi a woayɛ wo ho papa kana nyapa o menyini ni bie menyini ni sɛ tu kitikiti ma menyini ni bie papa kana di menyini ni bie mu
ai sa nyini ni
me papa no wadna bi na biti
na ka na le biti ze
obi a wo ye minister so wo ye mp papa ya se bie ton wo se wo ka kore wo so ka kore o captain smart with the mo nhwe se ni pombo captain smart so wonye kora no a ya mi hu ne nya mi hu ne captain nya a wonye de mo ma ye na me mahunu ana me wo da me ka captain say abai na wo so no wo no ba umia bom anu wo che kwan mo fo so amabon and that Yasum. And now Papa can Japan wouldn't send their MPP for ye, who will be, and yet wouldn't remain kind. I don't much about what is because a quick way. Every man will be no. Yea, a cigana, yesterday, young penny for woman. One can't say Captain Maynard. He said, well, boy, a child. Captain Casabia, Papa, MPP for you. Someone come from Munity, and I never come over Brazil. I got evidence with him. What's what mine no move, more sad no. What was said was the same way, and to not soon. What Jimmy Ford was the same way. Got the smart scale, one fact. Yea, for a toss. Second, the cromful, 7 year cromful, medium in you, and Jania Abring, and yet the Yabega. A common to me will be a Jania Binani Bedibia, can you meet that? What you mean that? And I come second, I would die when you're here. I know us one name, and we must ampa, because and Yasino, we must get people for the young Yampa. Now, Papa, what you're from, near Casas and say, Captain Canacrento, Pamela. Would you wash? Munjabio,
Puntentia.
Munjabio. That's a Puntentia. That's a dinner. Papa, come here, Musampa. Every before someone catching in Yano, or what you go to not Captain Quatrefi. Na Musa de Hunsen in our bar. You kidding now, can open killing boy, no one man beer. There's a papa walking to know. Say, yeah, no papa, more killing one man beer.
Oh, can't me a engineer, no, I can't say any more muti in the
yes, not that Papa can have one kind of crack. Oh, one kind of any pocket crack. See, can't have enough from. I don't have enough from. Ghana, she saw some Musia car. She saw some one do Musuko, said the moon again. Crap. No papa on money, I don't know. But I bet baby a walker and so for and my mom 14. No papa can have over Tassam, so now can you go papa for now what killing them? And what we didn't know, we didn't know. As I'm across walker, who picked up bar. Yeah, said, who's some beer? I put that some about a fair camera. When you change you, not come from whom was on a call. Come here, open for one was so much a scaffold, one was so much. Check if fake it down. Obeka.
No, now.
Ah, the luminary trick by any. Luminary, now. That's everyone. I said, sorry. What you do with you crying and Papa about your first say?
Say what?
Say, what we never fake that channel, what about the pressure of my fake? I don't know money. Check if fake is open in my work. And somebody by my own room said, I'd be a chief channel, then some case the cattle. Fake, check fake. You have found Mark 4 days, 1 week. 3 days, 4 days. Was I can or Mr. Dabade, Mr. Never check the blame. We should be there, yeah. Mamma, Papa can Japan. What's the fake? And who you should be?
When you should be.
What are the so? No colac, no clock.
Oh,
it's what Debbie, I'm not to say carpentry. I'm not to do. Huh? I'm not to do. Then my lawyers will come here. Every day today. Check fake.
Bounce.
Yes, I took for the so. Check. I'm glad I'm better. I'm better.
Oh, Mama, we are moving there.
Oh, Babu, we say some of the better going to go. No, that's 100 million or money. Yes, to any business.
Yes,
but 100 million.
Oh, they are quite a fan.
Oh, yeah. I did a number. I don't know, so okay. I did a number.
You know, what take was I look.
So, why you check 100 million at the moment? Up to no much money.
What
do you fast? It's a idea. I will still a business where we are so.
Okay.
And then got a smart and go. What was it? And people for Mungadi.
Okay.
I don't know. Papa can you come on?
That's Mr. Resident here, command ambulance ambassador. As I can, what about me? You do me come. What do you go to become a position? And no man, you know, who said, a human into my machine and said, we can win him was here, but and also so they can could woman. Oh, and I need the alternative. Yes, I did him. I think I'm gossiping. I'm check fake, one minute. Check fake. Look at me, Capra. Messiah was on the Messiah, many day. Messiah, Sama, Babi Chana, that check and so. When you have to be a check it over. I said it already, said it already. Said up, Minister, the Mamma Butu. There was about Sam and Yadia, the Mamma found him say, Penny to the Grammy. We are so many money. Oh, bed, you know, oh, they are concerns. Let me know. This is a trouble. What does a trap? Someone trap. That's when I never did. Oh, the Gigi, and nobody took it out. Say anything now. I've been trying to cafe news that day. I'm disappointed.
You are disappointed?
Yes.
All right, cool. So let me read a couple of messages quickly, and then I'll come on my last story. My last story I made about Prophet Nigel Gazy now, or they are better just say 2024, the King Mahama is coming back. I don't know. Maybe the prophecy has really, manifested. But all the same, no, my main kind of message is somebody asks, what's the meaning of Kowa? What do you think is the meaning anyway? I'm going for it. Good morning to you all. Kennedy Japan allegations towards Captain Smart is not logic. Check can actually bounce anytime. It happens to me before. Kennedy, Japan is a disgrace to Ghana, development. This one say, offer please, good morning, please, can you explain the bouncing check for us? What is the meaning of bouncing check? I'm Mr. Frimpong from a big brim, okay. Bouncing check them, sir. Papa, what I say that I didn't know they are going to now bounce and go through the way to me and see over. Say no more explanation, you know it. Okay. This is a good morning, madam. I beg Uncle Ochinoko to forgive them. I told my mom a year ago, one day, Agrada will come and see she's doing the work of God. I'm Josephine from Kumasi Atunso. Josephine, thank you so very much. I'm really disappointed in you guys today. Are you aware what ELL Lizato costed? If not, you shouldn't actually started. One should actually make the analysis at all. Why shouldn't we make the analysis at all? We have to do that. Ochinoko started the radio so early. Doesn't mean he is, angel. And is not bound out of mistakes. Do you know his flaws in his work as well? Do you know how many businesses Ochinoko has spoiled years back because of mere allegations on his program? We are not talking about his health, but let's address what the guy said. If you are not privy to it, go and listen to it. Yoyate Boso. Me calling him. Good morning, Diane. Honorable Kennedy has no issues. Everyone has done what has done in his life. There is a lot of reasons for checks bounce. Why wait to expose someone only when he or she is in limelight? If you are a good citizen, Ghana, only the strong financially rules. God help us all, probably. I have this message I want to read quickly. Good morning, Diane. Ghanaians are gradually losing hope in Kennedy Japan. He is unfaithful. I'm Fanasco from Brekum. Fanasco, thank you for giving me a clear message. Good morning, Diane. I'm correct from Seshi Bonsu, and I'm enjoying your program. Thank you so much for watching us all the way inside Bonsu. Hello, Diane. I'm Dr. Raymond. I'm really disappointed in your panelists on how they attack, Pastor Nigel Gazy anytime his issue actually pops up. Remember, we can't compare mortals to immorals. Thank you, my dear, for your message. Good morning, my dear sister. good work you people are doing. It's helping Mother Ghana. My sister, this is not fair at all, because if the prophet wants to attack, let him attack the MP first. Ojam and Ofa are speaking the truth. Apostle Collins Apreko prophet. Yeah, that was it for a message out with the Abba. Good morning, Ofa Jacob Ajite. I'm from Libya. Thank you for choosing us this morning. This one said, Diane, you look splendid this morning. I love your costume. Thank you. Please, Ojam, microphone usually make noise. Please check it. Thank you for your message. We're going to check on that one for you. And she be made me last, story ever. I want to quickly run through the messages for you. I don't want the data to go waste. Good morning, Diane and your crew. Kennedy is hypocrite. What shows that captains? The message is not clear. I can't get it. It's really incomplete. I beg of you, bring another one so I can read it for you. Good morning, Diane. Honorable Kennedy has no issue. Everyone has. I think it came twice, so I am skipping to the next one. Diane, you look splendid this morning. I love your costume. Please, Ojam, this one also came twice as many times. I'm skipping. Ojam is saying, what Ojam is saying, he don't believe Kennedy. Ojam, are you credible? Yes, he is credible. That one there, I will just tell you that he is credible. Each one has his own opinion, so maybe you can also drop your opinion. You cannot actually, side with Ojam or far, but you also have your opinion. So express your opinion, and then let's move on. Okay. So good morning to you all. Watching you live from Boko Wood. Yeah, that was it. We say, oh Ghana, we are now. Have you seen now what the elders don't actually want Ghana well? Kennedy Japan don't actually want through all what he's doing. We now see that he is doing politics. Ghana no kre asa wo omayimu. Ofalumba and Mame Diane, keep doing a good job. God bless you all with a little program. Your message, any clear. Pacha me pacho. A people my member back now. My be shiny na me reading ye. I'm on Facebook Live now. Offer if you want to talk about someone, make sure you are clean. Well, Diana Mano said, I said it here yesterday that Kennedy was not in to expose the Galamsey MP issue, but make it look as if he can actually do better than Captain Smart. Shame on him. So what? Fix the country and stop shouting. This is not only bounce check that you've actually seen in Ghana. Live said, two message now sent him. I'm comment. This one says that this is from Kofi Kuten. Kofi said people don't actually know that guy. They think he's fighting for interest of Ghana. He is fighting for his stomach. We a comma Captain Smile. Ojam, you are also the same. I gotta help you, but you actually did a video to disgrace him. This one is I'm talking about fake pastors. So if you know your pastor is fake, then Odi for Ketri Enoch says, I watched it myself yesterday. The lady don't actually respect at all, Diane. Okay. Who shares that show no? Benis. I think so. Ebia. And I make us say Obia any opinion so your opinion say what's so with the Indiana. Phil John has said Diane Nigel Gazy was once came to Kumasi to preach in our church, and we catch her sleeping with some of our choristers at our church. We almost beat him to death. Push. Was one found by I also did the anyway. My post messages now. I cover my last video few time for me to go, few minutes for me to go. You're streaming live on Facebook, streaming live on YouTube, come on TV. You share for others to be part of the program. Now my last video I made by and it said Prophet Nigel Gazy and now the Ababetu just say 2024 Kiani King Yepo I put to just say John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, former President of Ghana, will be signed by Yaman Penny and Bill. Yes, she video number. Stay with us. Uncle.
I said, I am the nation's prophet. You didn't hear that? Did you hear that? I said, NDC will have majority in parliament. I feel like to prophesy. I thought. Can I prophesy? John Mahama is coming back. 2024, John is coming back. Can I prophesy? Listen, they will go back into minority. I hear the voice of the Lord, and I am the prophet of this life. Let the old men sleep and dream. We see it and they come to Christ. I said, Costa Crado fall, and they fell like the timber. I said, NBC will have speaker of parliament. Hear me and hear me. Say yes, the Lord. Ghana should be ready for hustle. But I saw into time. John Mahama is coming back 2024, and he will win hands down. I saw it. I said, I am the nation's prophet. You didn't hear that? Did you hear that? I said, NDC will have majority in parliament. I feel like to prophesy. I thought. Can I prophesy? John Mahama is coming back. 2024, John is coming back. Can I prophesy? Listen, they will go back into minority. I hear the voice of the Lord, and I am the prophet of this life. Let the old men sleep and dream. We see it and they come to Christ. I said, Costa Crado fall, and they fell like the timber. I said, NBC will have speaker of parliament. Hear me and hear me. Say yes, the Lord. Ghana should be ready for hustle. But I saw into time. John Mahama is coming back 2024, and he will win hands down. I saw it.
Really? Oh no, that's what you mean. No, I'm sorry. Are you sure?
Oh,
it's time for English. Nigel Gazing.
It's a rally.
He's doing rally.
Yeah, rally.
It's a rally.
Yeah, rally is a
clapping.
Mahama. We didn't say Mahama never back.
What makes you think so? What? Okay. What are that?
Mahama.
Okay.
What is supposed to MPP NDC? MPP NDC. And a man for who said, MPP. The soul way, no. MPP say, get down.
And people will get down. And then the NDC will come.
Yeah, NDC. You come.
By hook or crook.
Oh, that. That.
So what he's saying, you don't believe him?
Yeah, Mahama said, about 20 years to Ukraine. It's a leader. The leader, you are going to intentions so MPP.
Who is intentions to MPP? So there's no truth in Ghana.
There are no true visit.
There's no truth in Ghana.
Yes.
So why are you bringing visit? What from visit?
NDC in the arena is a 24. Yes, is a winner.
NDC is a winner.
Yes.
Have you voted already?
MPP is a slow puncher.
MPP is a slow puncher.
I took to one and one. Yeah.
Sorry, Opa.
MPP is a disappointed.
But I don't want to laugh. You're making me laugh. Let me compose myself. Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah,
no, speak English.
Yeah, NDC. The support about any support. The MPP the but the moon not for broken heart. MPP is a broken heart.
MPP is a broken heart.
It's a broken heart.
Why? Has she broke her heart?
Yeah, me.
MPP has broken her heart.
Broken heart. How? incredible.
You thought they were credible, but now they're not credible. They are incredible now.
Incredible.
So that's why NDC will come back in 2024.
Is it true?
So it's true.
Yes, 2024 sir, and this come there. Yeah, well, my you mean no? Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
I should go to offer.
Okay. Then
offer.
I want someone to go and tell John Dramani Mahama, the ex-president, to warn this guy. Otherwise, he will not reign. He will not come again. It's because of the prophet. And the master, your president will be Nyakunyani. Trust me.
So that means you don't believe him.
Some people like to vote for John Dramani Mahama or Nana Dankwa Ekufuado, but some of the prophets make them like Intenja. You see what?
So you do your intention some.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diane.
Papa.
He has to warn the prophet.
Okay.
We can even look from Omampani, John Dramani, John
Kofor.
Adekum Kofor.
Yeah.
From his time up to this time. It's 8 years for every government. You can't do this. Kofor spent like 8 years.
Yeah.
Atamis came 4 years. That's the reason why Mahama get chance for another 4. So it will be 8.
Sure.
When Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo also came, it's 8 years.
Yeah.
Getting to 8 years now.
Yeah.
So next will be who?
So you think
when you do
next
this
is definitely going to be NDC.
If Ghanaians are fair and you do this analysis, it means next 10 will be NDC.
So we cannot bring any other party.
We are not
MPP NDC.
We are not doing politics here, but we have to make we have to face the fact.
Maybe things can change.
It can change. Maybe if John Dramani Mahama do his things well, he don't deserve prophet to tell himself if be him way he go take the seat. So obey the new year and your prophet be the better chance on the bedi akunyano this year. A year and Vienna ever to Aban.
Okay.
Because Shadia, another Dankwa Akufo-Addo is no more going to stand again. You see that?
Speak English.
Oh, another Dankwa Akufo-Addo is no more.
Why do you want to fight?
Okay.
You didn't speak. Allow offer to flow. Okay.
No, me, I don't like it.
You don't like what? You don't like the English. It's okay, don't spoil.
Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo is no more coming again. He done his thing. So, who from MPP are you going to choose as flag bearer? Say flag bearer. Say flag bearer. Flag bearer.
Flag bearer.
Flag bearer. What's my flag to compare John Dramani Mahama? That's all. That's all. We shall not get out of offer. What's about you? I'm not getting. What is more important is nobody. Niger Gage to come out and tell us,
okay.
When another Dankwa Akufo-Addo go, John Dramani Mahama will come. But the reason why John Dramani Mahama is come is God has spoke to me that things are going to change. And only a bad year.
So this is not prophecy?
And your prophecy. They are so one in the feeling. And what she said, I will say the answer and not in your free swap. Mo compare your mama bet me about and what she told you.
Okay.
Now, so one of them know about to Mama Belus.
Okay.
A different on tell Mama Money. One tell was a moment for Manum. And what politics no one where campaigns can only be to you. Yamin can be. Mom, Jim, the Yatikoma, and will be to me cousin and Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo Binya, and Adwenya, and you may have cost the rest of my high people before. Once I said before, I said that this year each year. It's man in the year. All
right then.
Almost as soon as they was over baby. No mind that you have said, you may say. Then you are saying to me, Chankoma, or by and try, John Dramani Mahama, or to train him, you bet me up. No, but the other way. And only every young is here because I think you are happy and walk up. It will be more by a day. Yanado Jesus is here and you expect here, and you are bonnet. What Nanado is doing is not good. You are bonnet. So if John Dramani Mahama will come back again, what is he coming to do? I don't know what we are deep for. I can't want him to see. My
telephone lines are open. You can just give me a call 0202668461 or 62. I'll pick you.
So no bad.
So speak English.
We
You're Russian?
We are Russian in Ghana here. Always Nanado. Always man.
I have a call on the line and pick this call. Hello, good morning.
Power bells the same one for my your friend like
Yamin Shawn so yes you. Pacho yetio kasa. I think so. You're ready to wait. So give me another call. 0202668461 or 62. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm patching to your boss.
Your friend says in the hello.
Pacho Kasa, oh, also.
Okay. Okay. Make your friend says in the mama, the bomb about the family, you may be a moody at the Amagana for. Then that your fire coming, the name of the other Kennedy upon your tenant or can Kennedy, but never do all one or yet. Captain, you're very young, Kakui Captain, somewhat be yet, you manage to be no. Captain Cork, you are more Mangano, consider no good play, any I think, not to depend you know, at your Pia, who will be able to found can you move? That's why the Papa came here. Or would you feel pretty? Maybe I cannot cover support. No, I want to do if you have to tell Captain, you have to say, what kitchen you will never be young. That will be one hour could be now be a create the only part. Just okay, wow, that's it. You have to Captain. Maybe organize a model. I think one of the that a great shaman. I'm not a class for it. My name could be a good year or so. Welcome. Yeah, you're a Ghana for the community.
Yamin Shawn so. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Patient you. Oh, so it's what I remind you. Boss, Pacho, oh, so it's you.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi.
Okay. Madam, Madam, what's your mission? What you want for more? Your mission for?
Okay, also wait to me about so offer ya. To the radio, I will TV no call from. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning, Yentio.
But I was the Mama Sopa. Let me go away. And get up away. I remember I want to be able to make a conversation. What I would do is, if I can see that, if I can go on it, the end is going to be winner.
All right. Thank you. Also, go to me about so offer now what you need with TV no echo form. And yes, I may meet me something me what can say. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Yentio. All right, dear. Pacho Yentio.
I'm going to the catching before they say, no more clean and any people say it's one. Hello?
Pacho Costio.
Because they say coming a catastrophe 24, so the young people grab that they know she's on the trouble. The rose is on the trouble, so I'm trouble. And to the mirror said, I will work.
Oh.
I don't know if it's a wood and then
okay.
And the ribbon, and the ribbon, didn't say, I'm not happy. Didn't say, 8 years ago, I'm a visual to be up. You can find your loving kind of a country of loving other.
Okay. I mean, yeah, that's it. Bye. Also, with me, Abaso. Offer a pick up my fabulous. But I say, yeah, fuck all the beam. So, over.
No, me.
May I inquire?
I got them to you. I said you were born about the child of young. I saw a set of the soup in Sicily. And then I don't keep one on a boa and you for back. All night can see any cost we have to cook. If we hire a vampire, I shall like again. nti adofo a eti na ye bo bia bitu makohia no makoye wona eti bia na ye because my na na ko si so bra na me ko kan twa na me kohia adofo hwe yin na ga part education company chima school ne ko so na me show
oh okay bra yeah cool but only bibia ka menko all right only bibia ka bi mo nti me ko dia na last message but I think say your messages are just there and you know yes yeah yeah ko dia as the PC and koma Mr. Eboa nyame o sure papa for what you did yesterday. We really admire it nyame and so nkwa na MCJ Fashions ukumasi amekom nyame o sure no nyu fi adom and kwadom for always making sure that I look well to come on TV. Nyame inshallah 0268505021 a number and as that enkoma a year design about center formula design about capsules and mesh about crop baby number pomo the original brand Dr. Dawood immuno pebi na UC as that enkoma no na eboa odifo ono so e wo jape kroma okra nyame inshallah me director ochinozo law any game MC akobi frank me cameraman executive producer Sam Dark so ba nyame inshallah nyambo ejada ye bye apon bye
Yewo difo ene yewo difo odifo na yebo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se upe baabi pa upe difo bi de ho akobata no a yewo difo mu ahodo minimo ha ukure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene yaba ha ubehunu ni nyina moborofo onibie abana basa so na ene gi se ma wo mu se o yale na aba na kache ha ono ama baabi a wo beda na amoduane adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape krum ene e wo se woko adiji se be wo mu se bosumi bia oye all 91 te bia wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa babi bosumi bia ifia da to sumienu na oye no 9 fa number na egu afidie ne so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa media medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo odi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo me wo ba ni nya gidie se Obama anase wankase mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase obi o e dey owo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me no sesia wo hwe me wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo hwanwan na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de e beda ahoto be dia ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hwekura me se wo de yebra enye achinyi bomode abra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese me number wo hwe makira kwa ade benyam ye 0243 356583 bra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese amen.
William Pempenso adure me kwa kofa me de hye me bibini se broni aho ofedua no no abesi trododo amatoa pia
Anima nada Super 3 days in the malaria no ma go to me kase ko
me ntwe kuda malaria akura no me ni bedi pa asew nda na ya brempon katachie me nim sanya metie nti no me ba no me boa me ho asew aduro ni nie Dawood Herbal Mixture aduro wi me yire dom sima